Hello, all my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Modern English with Khandu Dayal. Dear friends, in this video, we are going to learn more about the concept called pronoun and its type. So, without getting delay, let us start. So, before going to start the session, let us understand what exactly does it mean by pronoun. So, a word which is used in place of noun or a word which is used to avoid the repetition of noun is known as pronoun. So dear friends, let us understand what are the various types of pronoun. The first type of pronoun is personal pronoun, second is possessive pronoun, third is demonstrative pronoun, fourth is interrogative pronoun, fifth one is reflexive pronoun, sixth one is emphatic pronoun, seventh is relative pronoun, eighth distributive pronoun, ninth reciprocal pronoun, and 10th is indefinite pronoun. So dear friends, let us see one by one. The first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. So what exactly does it mean by? Let us see. Personal pronouns represent people, places, and things. Personal pronouns are those pronouns which replaces the names of a person, place, and things. Now let us understand with the help of example. For example, Riya is a new student. Earlier, she was studying in Mumbai University. So, dear friends, as the definition goes, that personal pronouns which represent people, places, and things, and it also replaces the names of person, place, and things. Let us see how it replaces. Now, if you could see in the example wherein that noun Riya is highlighted with the red color, and in a second example you could see that Riya as a name has been replaced with the pronoun called she, right? So let us see the uses of personal pronoun. They refer to three persons, namely first person, second person, and third persons, and also it talks about the genders, namely male, female, and neuter genders. Let us talk about one by one. First person, that the speaker of the sentence is known as first person pronoun. Next, second person, that this person or the hearer of that sentence, and the next, that is third person, that is the person that the speaker is talking about, right? So let us see one by one what exactly the first person refers to. First person is the speaker of the sentence, that is I or we pronoun. Second person, that is the person spoken to or the listener or the hearer of the sentence. Next, third person, that is he, she, it, and third person plural they has been used here. So these are the three persons, namely first person, second person, and third persons. So next type of pronoun is possessive pronoun. So let us see what exactly does it mean by possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are the words which shows possession or the ownership. For example, the book lying there is mine and those on the table are hers. Now possessive pronouns which shows the possession or the ownership. Now as in the example, you can see that the book lying there is mine. Here the pronoun mine shows the ownership or the possession, right? So possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. So dear friends, let us talk about the third type, that is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun are words that indicates nouns in a sentence, which indicates the nouns in a sentence, which demonstrates the noun in a sentence. For example, this is the pen I was looking for. And second is, that is the watch I bought yesterday. Now in these two examples, you could see that the words called this and that I have highlighted over here with the red and black color, that shows the indication, that word which indicates, which demonstrates the noun in the sentence, right? Where in the first example this refers to the pen, and in the second example that refers to the watch, which indicates, which projects the noun, right? So demonstrative pronouns are these, that, these, and those. So dear friends, let us talk about the next types of pronoun, that is interrogative pronoun. So interrogative pronouns are words which ask questions. So interrogative pronoun which asks the questions. Let us see how. For example, the interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, what, which. These are known as interrogative pronoun. Now let us see how it asks the questions. For example, who is at the door? Whom are you waiting for? Which of these is the road to your home? What is that have in your hand? So look at each example in which I have highlighted with various colors the interrogative pronouns. So next type of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns which reflect upon or go back to the subject. That is known as reflexive pronoun. Now what are the reflexive pronouns? Let us see. Himself, myself, herself, yourself, itself, ourself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, etc. All are known as reflexive pronoun. As the definition shows, the definition says that it reflect upon or which goes back to the subject. Let us see how exactly it goes back to the subject. For example, he hurt himself accidentally. Now look at the pronoun, reflexive pronoun himself, which goes back to the pronoun called he. He hurt himself. They will inform you themselves. Now that word himself and themselves, which refers back, which goes back to the subject. That is how it is known as reflexive pronoun. The next type of pronoun is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronouns are those which are used for emphasis on noun or pronouns. As the definition says, which has been used to emphasize noun or pronoun. Let us see. For example, himself, myself, herself, yourself, itself, ourself. These all are known as emphatic pronouns which are used for emphasis, which emphasizes on the noun or pronoun. Let us see how exactly it emphasizes. For example, I myself cooked the food. Here, myself, which emphasizes on the noun called I. Here, it emphasizes on noun and pronoun I. He himself was responsible for his sufferings. Himself, which refers back, which emphasizes on the pronoun called he. That is how it is called as emphatic pronouns. The next type of pronoun is relative pronoun. Now what exactly does it mean by relative pronoun? Let us see. Relative pronouns are pronouns which are used to join a phrase or a clause with another in a sentence. Now understood, my friends, how it relates or how it joins the phrase or clause with another in a sentence? That is known as relative pronoun. For example, who, whom, whose, which, that, and sometimes as is also used as a relative pronoun. For example, the man who is wearing a pink shirt is my teacher. Second example, the little girl was guided by the teacher whom she truly admired. The third, the book which I gave him is lost. The watch that I bought last year is not working now. The chair whose color is blue is mine. Now, dear friends, if you could see the relative pronouns which I have highlighted here in each example with red color, that shows the relationship, right? And that is how it is a relative pronoun. The next type of pronoun is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns are pronouns which are used for persons or things taken as single or in a groups. For example, either, neither, every, each, both, all, etc. are distributive pronouns. For example, each of you must be present on the occasion. Second example, all of you have been called now. The third example, neither of the pen is working. Now all the distributive pronouns which I have highlighted here with the red color, that shows, right, what it shows, which are used for the things, right, maybe in a single or in a groups. That shows the. Next is reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun is a pronoun which shows two-way relationship. it shows two-way relationship. For example, each other, one another. Now these two pronouns which shows the relationship with each other. Let us see how. For example, the teacher scolded John and Mary since they were talking to each other. Second example, we should help one another. Look at these two examples in which the reciprocal pronoun which shows the two-way relationship. That is how it is known as a reciprocal pronoun. The last pronoun is, the type of pronoun is indefinite pronoun. Now, indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that refers to one or more unspecified things, beings or objects, things or places, right? For example, I have brought everything you might need for the journey. Now here, the word which has been highlighted, everything, that is indefinite pronoun, where we are in a position that we cannot understand what exactly that particular word refers to, right? So that is how it is known as the pronoun which refers to one or more unspecified things. That everything refers unspecified things. Now he has brought everything means everything which does not refers to a specific unspecified things, right? That is how it is indefinite pronouns. Now indefinite pronouns are all, each, one, someone, many, others, something, another. There are a number of pronouns we can see. So dear friends, thank you so much my dear friends. If you have understood my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Modern English with Khandu Dayal.